Hello, it's Danielle Scheel. I'm here to go over our assignment 2 reflection. I was a part of the mobile learning group, and my subtopic was collaborative learning using mobile devices. I really wanted to look at, can collaboration be beneficial using mobile devices? And then what are some specific apps or online platforms that support that collaboration? So first thing I looked into was, what is the workforce doing? I believe that everything we do in our classroom should be preparing them for something they will encounter when they leave our classroom. So I found that 80% of businesses are using digital collaboration, and about 49% of people are using their mobile devices for the collaboration. I then looked into who are our students, and our students are Gen Zers. So I envision, or I predict that that number, that 49%, is going to increase as Gen Zers enter the workforce. Gen Zers are digital natives, and they've grown up with mobility and social networks. They're going to want to carry that into their workforce, mostly because they prefer that form of collaboration. From there, I looked into the main categories that should be considered when choosing your digital platforms, and I found that communication, conferencing, and coordination are going to be the most important things to think about when you're choosing which technology you're going to use. So my top 3 tools were Google Hangouts, Padlet, and Google Classroom. I chose Google Hangouts because it hits that communication piece where they're able to instantly talk to each other, whether it's messaging, video chat. They can share photos, computer screens, and files. So Google Hangouts really supports that communication piece. Padlet I chose as a conferencing tool, and it's not a real conferencing tool where they get on and see each other, but I did like that they are able to post to a board and they can share links, they can share documents, they can also create video posts or audio posts where they can give feedback to each other right away. For the coordination tool, I chose Google Classroom. I use Google Classroom at my school, and it allows me to create and organize assignments. From there, I can provide feedback, and students can communicate within their class. I really liked that Google Classroom integrates the Google Drive, so it's easy to share documents and keep track of changes. And all 3 of these tools are free and accessible online or via any app on any mobile device. So some key takeaways I had is that, first of all, younger generations are demanding more collaboration because that's how they like to learn, and they want to be able to collaborate while not necessarily being together. I think it's where education is heading because I think it's where the workforce is heading. As we talk about collaboration within this class and for this specific assignment, I really enjoyed working with my group. A lot of the posts that they put on our discussion board really gave me insight from my own research that I completed. One of the challenges that I thought we encountered is that we were all working on this assignment at different times. So if we had a question for each other, it took a little while to get some feedback. But overall, I thought it was a good group and we collaborated very well together.